Here we go, mnum doing a personal box of Leaf, Trinity, football. Got a break going tonight of this. So here's a little peek at what we'll be breaking here in a little while. All right. Top loaded product. Should be 5 hits. Alrighty. Here we go. First up, Blake Smith. 2014 passing, 3,487 yards and 28 touchdowns. Blake Sims. Next, Boreas Allen rookie patch autograph. Those are the jumbo patch rookie autos. Every single one of them is that big. Next, you got yourself a pure. Let's see who it is. Stefon Diggs. I never know if they go by Stefon. Diggs, pure autograph. Next, we have another rookie patch auto. This one's numbered to only 25. P.J. Williams. That's like a blue color. 19 of 25. 3-color rookie patch auto. P.J. Williams. So double rookie patch auto. And to finish it off, Melvin Gordon. What do you say? I already miss Madison, Wisconsin. I already miss Madison, Wisconsin. So mnum, there you have it, man.